Alright, ladies and gentlemen, thanks for joining me in this video, and today we are going drag racing. Yes, that is right. No joke. Now, whether we're at a circuit track, autocross, or a drag strip like we are at right now, I can tell you right now that I can appreciate all forms of racing. But here at the drag strip, I've been here for about a couple hours now, just sitting around, but it sucks. You're going to get, with all the cars that are around here, probably only going to get a few runs, and that's about, what, less than a minute of track time total for being here for 8 hours? That sucks. All right, so here's the deal. Bad news, guys. So the track official, we just have our driver's meeting not too long ago, and he said it's not safe enough to run the quarter mile, so he's only going to do an 1/8 mile today.
Oh, hell no!
Do I get half my money back? Just kidding. Okay, so not gonna lie, I am a little bit disappointed because I wanted to back up my dyno numbers with a trap speed, but I'm not gonna be able to do that at the 1/8 mile. So here we are, the 1/8 mile. They said there's no pointers on where the 1/8 mile ends, so I'm just gonna guesstimate and shut down where I think the 1/8 mile is. Just great. And we're going against a GT350. Hopefully you guys can see that. Guy. Damn, I missed third. Well, I jacked that one up big time. See how crappy the 60 foot is. Thanks. 60 foot. That's bad, especially on an all-wheel drive car. Oh, that was horrible. 8.8. Oh, that sucks, man. That's horrible. Absolutely horrible. RT. Reaction time, 0.011. Still got it. Even though it doesn't really matter towards time. Yeah, the car bogged a little bit at the beginning. I think I have to raise up my, what do you call it? My launch control. All right, so we're gonna probably wait here for another 2 hours. Drag racing life. All right, so you guys saw that run. That run was absolutely horrible. I will not lie. Probably my worst ever, but that's okay. We still got a ton more runs. Well, I don't know about tons. Is that a Supra? All right, turn traction control off. Put in Sport Sharp. Looks like I'm going against a Mercedes C63 AMG. So let me show you my time slip. Hopefully that will focus. I am on the right, and as you can see, I did red light. 1960 foot and a 7.7 1/8 mile. When we trapped at 95 miles an hour. So according to the 1/8 mile app, that should equate to a 12 flat. And you know what? The car still has a lot in it. You know, it bogged down in first, so I'm pretty sure I lost about half a second there at least. So yeah, I'm pretty confident we could probably hit 11s if this were a full quarter mile. All right, guys, here we go. Run number 3. Let's see if we do better. I raised up the launch control just by a couple hundred RPMs. Let's see if that keeps me from bogging down really badly at the beginning. That's costing me a lot of time. as much. It bogged a little bit at the very, very beginning, so pretty sure I have a couple tenths left. I have to raise it up a little bit. Actually, the launch control is what I'm talking about, but I'm sure the tires will spin if I raise it up just a little bit more. But I don't know, it's a fine line. All right. Thank you. You're welcome. 1.760 foot, so a whole lot better. 7.5 at 95 miles an hour. All right, so let's look at this time slip a little closer. My 60 foot was a 1.7 and my 8th mile was a 7.5, which is not bad. Now, using the horsepower calculator, now I know it's not too accurate, so don't bust my balls too much about it. So that equates up to about an 11.75 mile, which really isn't all that bad, to be honest with you. Now, there is still a lot of potential with this turbo setup. We're down about 50 to almost 100 wheel horsepower just because of the fuel system alone. So maybe in the future, if I decide to switch over to a rotated kit, you know, we might even be able, I can't talk. We might even be able to see 10s. Wow, that's right. That'd be pretty cool. All right, looks like we're up again. I'm going up against another GT350. As you can see, run number 4. I think it's number 4. I jacked that one up. Oh no, what was up with that? 8.1 I saw. Yeah, that was horrible. Okay, so here we are back in the pits. Looks like somebody spilled oil all over the track. So you know what that means. They gotta spend a lot of time cleaning that stuff up. Okay, so here we are the next day, and I will say I am very happy with the way the car performed. Yes, I know it is nothing to write home about, but going down the 8th mile is still good practice, you know, for me to launch on a prepped surface. So could the car have performed any better? Of course it could. Now, it's been about 2 years since I've been at the drag strip. Last time we were there was when I was with Casey in the WRX, and he lifted ahead on his STI by accidentally shifting into first, and that kind of was a segue to his whole build process, which he now makes, what, 700 plus horsepower. Now, for those of you guys who do follow the channel, you guys know that I do have a radium double pumper sitting in my garage waiting to be installed. There's a car going past behind me. But with that installed, I mean, you're talking about an extra 50 plus wheel horsepower. Maybe in the future, if I go with the rotated kit, maybe we will see 10s in the future, but I'm not sure exactly how many times I will be going back to the drag strip. If you guys want to see me go back to the drag strip, just let me know, comment down below. Now, I told you guys at the beginning of the year that I wanted to take the show more on the road, but unfortunately, you guys know world events happen, and it really limited my capabilities of going on the road. But who knows, maybe next season we'll do more stuff, more shows, more events, more racing events. Who knows, we will see. But anyways, I really do appreciate you guys supporting the channel. It really means a lot to me. A lot of you guys are great, 99.9% of you. But anyways, that is it. Thanks for watching, and if you want to consider hitting that subscribe button, I really do appreciate it. I know I don't really say that or mention it. Anyways, thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you guys later. Peace out, guys.